In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can hide your following and follower list here on TikTok. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you want to hide your following and follower list here on TikTok, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is first open up TikTok and go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Up in the top, go ahead and select the three lines to open up a page that looks like this, and then select Settings and Privacy. The first section is going to be the account section. Within it, go ahead and select Privacy just like so, and then scroll down until you find the option that does say Following List. What you're going to want to go ahead and do is tap on it and then set this to Only You just like so. This is going to hide your following list from everyone else. To actually go ahead and hide your follower list, what you're going to want to do is actually scroll back up and find the section that does say private account up at the very top. Just keep in mind, people who already follow you are still going to be able to see this. But once again, if you do want to hide your follower list, simply go ahead and tick this on and you're good to go. Now from here, if you do want to remove certain followers, all you have to do is just go into your followers just like so, find whoever you're trying to remove. In this case, we'll choose this guy right here. Hit these three dots and just hit remove follower, and you're good to go. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and we greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.